Hi, I'm John from Ideal Homes here in Portugal in the sunny Algarve. Here today in Vilamoura, showing you a lovely 3-bedroom apartment, ground floor but slightly raised, so you're not dead on the ground floor, and it's got so much to show you. Come inside and I'll show you straight away. First of all, there's a little house bathroom downstairs there as you walk in the door. It also has a gated entrance, so anybody ringing the door or the bell, visitors come straight through here. You just pick the phone up and open the gate. A fully fitted kitchen, everything you want, the washing machine, the dishwasher, the oven, the hob, vast amount of cupboard space, fridge freezer there. Outside there's a drying area, so you can actually put your clothes out there. So that's very private as well. So a fully fitted kitchen, everything you want here. And one of the things I love about this place is the room. It's spacious. I mean, so many apartments are just boxes. This has got full-size seating for 2, 4, 6 people on this side, and an open plan lounge. And quite honestly, it's furnished lovely, but you could even add more furniture. It's a big, 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 big room. Go. Lovely open plan. There's a wood burner fire for if you want the chilly months. You can put the logs in there and have a wood burner fire, and that will heat all this. And this is a little bonus, because not only have you got all this expansive lounge area, you've also got a really cleverly designed patio, because this was the outside terrace. But what the owner has done is put foldable glass doors. So in the summer months you can open, in winter you can have it as a room. So that's a bonus, and that looks out over the gardens, and as you can see we're on the ground floor but slightly raised up. 3 bedrooms. So, great advantage if you want to use it as a holiday home. It will rent very well, and I'm going to be speaking to Megan shortly about that as well. You've got 2 beds in that particular bedroom with fully fitted wardrobes, air conditioning in all the bedrooms and air conditioning in the lounge. Nice sized rooms. Equal size room there, and then hallway. Bathroom to serve those 2 bedrooms with a bath and a shower over. Into the master bedroom. This one has obviously the ensuite, but it also has a bath and a shower over again. And again, king size bed, air conditioning, and beautiful views over the garden. So all in all, a really good apartment. It's on the market with Ideal Homes Portugal at €325,000. Remember, it's in Vilamoura, 5-10 minute walk down to the marina. So good location, near the tennis courts, everything like that. So everything's here. Underground here is the basement with a garage with 2 parking spaces and a big, large, your own personal storeroom. So if you use it for yourself, you can put things downstairs. And if you want to rent it out, this will rent really well. Stay tuned. I'll talk to Megan about the rental side of this property. Thanks.
Here we are with Megan on our rentals team, thinking about getting in the water.
No, not today, it's too cold. It's February now and it's a bit chilly, but normally it's a lovely pool.
It's a lovely pool. Now Megan is head of our rentals team. She knows all about this particular property. I know we've got it for sale, but if you were to buy it, Megan will be happily take it onto the rental programme because it's been very successful. Tell us more about it, Megan.
So we've been renting this apartment for over 2 years now. The owner's been very happy with the rental success it's had. It's very popular, especially in the summer with families, because of its 3 bedrooms, number one, but also its amazing location in the centre of Vilamoura. So very close to all of the restaurants, bars, shops, and really nice beaches around here. So it's a really, really good situation to be as a family, because you don't need to rely on hiring a car. You can get around with either Ubers or walking, because you're literally 15 minutes walk into the marina, or I'd say a 5-minute drive away if you've got a taxi. So you've also got the lovely pool here and the big gardens that surround us. So
the gardens are beautiful, they're well kept as well, and this is the worst time of the year to see a garden, but it's all manicured, very nice.
I know, I mean this is the quietest time now, but in the summer this is packed. And you literally walk, the apartment's just a stone's throw away over there. You can just pop down with your lilos, your towels and your flip-flops and enjoy a nice sunny day on the grass, and then head back for a barbecue on the terrace. I mean the families, the feedback they've always given us is that they love it, they love their time, and they rebook as well. So it's a really, really good apartment for a rental investment. and the price right now is incredible. So if you are interested in owning a holiday home in Vilamoura in the central Algarve, then speak to John. And if you need any advice from me or information about this apartment, then let me know as well, and we're more than happy to help.
And you were saying earlier it rents for about 1,500 a week in August,
Yeah.
July's, August and September's.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah,
it's
in
a
the high
great
season.
investment, great investment.
Yeah.
And it's on the market for sale for 325, 325,000
Brilliant
euros.
price.
But it's a great property. And one of the things I like about it, it's near the pool, but not right on top of the pool. So children and water make noise. So you can keep your eye on the children, but also have a bit of peace on the terrace over there.
I'm sure you make noise when you're in the water.
I do, yeah.
I do. But yeah, it's a really nice, comfortable apartment, a lot of living space, as John I think has already showed you, but a really good spot for a second holiday home or a rental investment.
Okay, so if you want any information on the rental side of it or the sales side of it, contact either Megan or myself, and we will gladly help you out with your requirements. Thanks for watching.
Speak soon. Bye.
Bye.